Okay, so how I start off with making all my composition book covers, I put a square of the actual size that the composition book is so that I can know how big to make my design. Now, composition books are 7 by 10, and then I take that square, I make it transparent, and then I start to do my design. This way, I would know when it's time to place it on the composition book cover, the design fits perfect. Even if I make the design, because I print it a little bit larger than what it should be. I don't print it exact because I sometimes want to give myself some extra leeway just in case I mess up or I don't put the cover on exact, because it's very easy to not put this cover on exactly how you want it. So you want to make sure that you are using as much of the space paper that you could use. So once I do that, I'm going to start my minions design. And when I am doing my designs, I just think of what I'm designing. So minions, they're wild, they're crazy. So I just came up with this design with it, pulling the page down and just adding, just other minions, adding the name. This is for a little girl, so I just added some extras. They loved it. I made a couple for them. I do have, when I printed this out and place it on the actual composition book, it is in another video, but I did want to just show you what is the process I do take when it comes to designing. Now, once I'm done with my full design, that transparent square in the back, I just delete it, and then I have the perfect design. It's not out of, it's not too big and it fits perfect on the composition book.